Yo everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. Welcome to another review video. In today's video I'm gonna take a closer look at this West Ham United away jersey of this season 2021-2022. It'll be customized with the Premier League badge as well as Rice number 41 on the back. It's the 10th version. Before we check it out, make sure to hit that subscribe button to not miss any review video. So now, let's check this one out. So that's this West Ham United away jersey. Let me know what you guys think. I personally like this one, especially those soft colors, the light blue with white in stripe form makes it really cool. In the next clip we'll show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.